For schools facing views, luxury apartments, and premium amenities, that too in central Noida.
We are talking about Elite Golf Greens, Sector 79, जहाँ 2 BHK flats start from rupees 1.4 crore. Let's unlock every detail of this project. Delivered in early 2022, this premium, ready-to-move-in society offers 2, 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartments. It's well connected. FNG Expressway and Sector 76 metro station are just a kilometer away. However, approach road थोड़ी narrow और single lane हो सकती है. Spread over 6 acres, Elite Golf Greens has 8 towers, 2 with G plus 15 floors and 6 with G plus 19. Each tower has 2 lifts and 4 units per floor, except towers D and E, which have 5. The society has a total of 616 units. Here, 2 BHK apartments are available in 3 sizes. 3 BHKs have 2 variants and 4 BHKs have a super built area of 2,335 square feet. The project offers 5 BHK apartments spanning around 2,715 square feet.
We inspected the 1,645 square feet 3 BHK flat.
Enter करते ही you get a foyer which leads to a grand living room with an attached balcony. एक separate dining space है ठीक kitchen के सामने. Then a parallel kitchen with an attached utility balcony. Passage के पास ही you get a common toilet just opposite the first bedroom, which has an attached balcony. Second and third यानी master bedroom काफी spacious है with attached washrooms and balconies. Master bedroom में एक additional wardrobe space भी दिया गया है, so storage is sorted. Overall, flat काफी spacious and functional है. The clubhouse is operational with a fully equipped gym, swimming pool, indoor games area and banquet hall. Internal units face landscape gardens and other towers, while outer facing ones offer views of green spaces. Some units even overlooked Wet Van Park just 800 meters away. Launched around 2016 to 17 at 8,000 per square feet, the project now commands over rupees 14,500 per square feet. A 2 BHK costs around rupees 1.4 to 2 crore. 3 BHK ranges from rupees 2.4 crore to 3.2 crore and 4 BHK is priced around 4.5 crore and 5 BHK starts at a 5 crore value.
A major limitation is the parking. Each unit comes with only one parking space, which creates an issue for families with multiple vehicles.
With its premium pricing, Elite Golf Green competes with Mahagun Mirabella, where a 1,380 square feet 2 BHK costs around 1.6 crore and a 1,730 square feet 3 BHK costs around rupees 2.7 crore. Here, a 6,750 square feet 5 BHK will cost a whopping 7.5 crore. The developer Elite Group has also a project called Elite Homes in Sector 77, offering ready-to-move-in 2, 3 and 4 BHK flats starting at a price range of rupees 1.4 crore. Delivered in 2015, the project offers decent construction quality.
Overall, Elite Golf Greens stands out as a more premium offering, upgraded features, better location, and a more luxurious living experience.